Hello everyone, welcome to the session and welcome to my channel Aptitude Club. So today I'm going to start a new series that is the LRDI series for CAT 2023. And in this series I'll be taking up one set in every session and we'll take it up in detail and try and break down the question to understand how to think on the LRDI section especially. Because this is one area where a lot of thinking is involved. How do you break down the question? How do you approach it systematically? How do you sort the information in your mind and then try and see the question? Because the bigger challenge in the exam is to identify which sets to solve. Those of you who have like some idea of what the CAT exam is all about, and in LRDI section what kind of things you have to do, then you might be knowing this, that we cannot solve all questions in this section. So we need to select one or two sets, maybe three, and then try and solve it. And when I'm talking about selection, it cannot happen that you try one set for 10 minutes and then realize that this is not happening, so maybe I'll move on to the next set. So 10 minutes will be a complete waste of time. So maybe in 2-3 minutes you'll have to decode the information and then see where is it going. Can I really solve this, or is it something that I can but it's getting complicated, so it will take me more time, so I should not indulge in this set, maybe I'll go to the next set. So this kind of judgment only comes with proper structuring of the information given in the question. What constraints are you going to operate in? What kind of table or framework that you are going to create to be able to like solve that question properly? So that needs a lot of practice, and through these videos I'll try and show you how I think on the LRDI section and what is my like approach when I see questions, how do I solve. So that will definitely give you a lot of insights, and the more and more sets you solve, the better your clarity of like the thought process it will develop eventually over a period of time. So the only way to get good in this section is practice, practice and practice. So if you are new to my channel and you like the content of this, so do subscribe to the Aptitude Club channel to get more such content on quantitative aptitude and LRDI section for CAT, and anything related to strategy and your exam prep. You'll get all kinds of videos and strategy sessions and tips and techniques and everything in the Aptitude Club channel. So if you're new to the channel and you would be watching this for the first time, if you like the content, do subscribe to the channel. So without further delay, let us begin LRDI ka first set for today. Now this was a set in CAT 2022 slot 1. Okay, CAT 2022 slot 1. Now if you have already started your LRDI prep and you have some exposure to the questions, I would advise just pause the video at this moment, solve the entire question, try and do it yourself, and then maybe proceed forward and look at the explanation. Okay, and if you have like not started your LRD and maybe you are very new to this section and watching this for the first time, you can continue with the video, but those of you want, you can pause this, solve, and then get started with the explanation part. So now, having read the question, how do we approach this? Okay, just pause all of you and read the question once yourself and then listen to the explanation. So I'll break down the question and explain to you it in parts. The first part is we break down the first paragraph of the sentence and just capture the data. There are 15 girls and some boys among the graduating students in a class. So kitne boys हमें पता नहीं है. So some boys, let us say, will take as X boys, and there are 15 girls. They are planning a get together which can either be a 1-day event or a 2-day event or a 3-day event. Alright. Now there are 6 singers in the class. 4 of them are boys. So boys singer, I can say there are 4 singers, and girls singers will be automatically 2, because total singers यहाँ पे total singers is 6. There are 6 singers in the class, 4 of them are boys and the remaining 2 will be girls. Now there are 10 dancers. Total dancers is equal to 10, and 4 of them are girls. So 4 girl dancers, that means 6 boy dancers. Now I don't know the total number of boys, so यहाँ पे तो 10 हो गए. So there will be people who are neither singers nor dancers. Now we don't know how much of them belong to the boys category, because that information is not provided, but we do know the total number of girls. out of which 2 are singers, 4 are dancers. So the remaining 9 are neither singers nor dancers. So let us say for solution sake, I'll represent singers by S, dancers by D, and none by N. ठीक है, singer S, dancer D, and none means people who are neither singer nor dancers, उसको N लिखेंगे. बार बार क्यों singer and dancer लिखते रहेंगे? So whenever you see a question, this is the first thing you do, just sort the information. मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा कलरफुल बना के लिखा so that it piques your interest, but in general just sort it, make it like a process, like hierarchy. Suppose class boys girls, then boys में singer dancer and neither, girls में singer dancer and neither. Just do that. Very simple. I hope all of you are following till this point. Let us go to the next step. Then the next paragraph is some students are interested in attending, are not interested in attending the get together. तो total उन्हें आने का मन ही नहीं है. Those who are interested in attending the get together, उनमें एक criteria है क्या ना, those who are interested in a 3-day event, they are also interested in a 2-day event. That means जो 3 day के लिए जा रहे हैं वो 2 day के लिए जा ही रहे हैं. And those who are interested in a 2-day event, they are also interested in a 1-day event. So this clarifies that this is kind of a set theory का question. Set theory, number crunching, something on those lines. Not exactly principles of set theory, जो union, intersection, those things will not be applied, but kind of set you will have to do. And I have done concentric circles. Why concentric circles? Because 3-day event में जो है, they are also interested in 2-day event. So 3-day event is like a subset of the 2-day event. Similarly, 2-day event is like a subset of the 1-day event. So this outer rectangle represents people who are totally not interested. They don't want to come, but they do belong to the class. So this outer thing, let us say this belongs to, like this is my class. And what is my class total? X boys and 15. We don't know the value of X, वही निकालना है end में. But class total is X plus 15. And there are some people who are totally not interested. Out of the people who are interested, bigger circle represents 1-day event. उनमें से कुछ लोग 2-day event के लिए भी आ रहे हैं and उनमें से कुछ लोग 3-day event के लिए भी जा रहे हैं. This is how you break down. All people who are going for a 3-day event are also going for a 2-day event. That is why ये 3-day event का circle completely lies within the 2-day event का circle, and so on with 1-day and 2-day. So I hope this part is now clear. How do we represent it in diagram? तो diagram में represent करने से क्या होगा? Visual clues you will start getting, and the ability to process information will become obviously better. But having done this, we also have 2 categories. एक boys है, एक girls है. So I can further classify them in this way, that there are some boys who are not interested, like each category में. जैसे I'll say people are not interested to go to the get together. उनमें से boys होंगे, girls होंगे. People are interested to go to the 3-day event. उनमें भी boys and girls होंगे. 2-day event में भी boys and girls होंगे. 1-day event में भी boys and girls होंगे. तो उसको we'll put it in this way. Let us say this green part represents boys and this represents girls. And now we'll systematically try and fill up the data individually. देखते हैं क्या आता है क्या नहीं आता है. And girls का part I know that total girls here is 15, but total boys I don't know how much. वो निकालना है. Okay. Now let's see. First information. All the girls and 80% of the boys are interested in attending a 1-day event. Now if all the girls are interested in attending the 1-day event, that means there are 0 girls who are not interested to attend the events. So ये part तो 0 हो गया. And total boys is how much? It is X. And out of X, 80%, that is 0.8x, are interested to attend the 1-day event. That means this will become 0.2x. 0.2x number of people are not interested to attend the 1-day event. Let me put it here. Final answer वहाँ पे लिखेंगे ये 0 and this is 0.2x. Then let's see this. 60% of the boys are interested in attending a 2-day event. तो 0.2x यहाँ पे आता है, तो people trying to attend 1-day event is 0.8x, and 60%, that is 0.6x, are the people who will attend the 2-day event. तो 1 डे का मिल गया 0.8x, 2 डे का मिल गया. नाउ थिंक ऑफ दिस, 1 डे इज 0.8, 1 day is like 0.8x, and 2 day is like 0.6x. So people exactly willing to attend only the 1 day event is 0.2x. Only willing to attend the 1 day event 0.2x. Now some girls are interested in attending 1 day event but not a 2 day event. Some of the other girls are interested in attending both. तो इतना ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ से है नहीं, बट हाँ समझ आता है कि देर आर सम गर्ल्स जो 1 डे इवेंट जाएंगे बट नॉट अ 2 डे इवेंट, एंड बॉयज़ का भी वही निकल गया मोर और लेस. So this is not so useful. Third, 70% of the boys who are interested in attending a 2 day event. 2 day event कितने लोग जा रहे हैं ना 0.6, इसका 70%, that means 0.42x, are not dancers, not singers. Okay, they are neither dancers nor singers. That means the remaining 30%, that is 0.18x, these people are dancers or singers. यही होगा. अगर 70% not dancers nor singers, तो remaining 30% are dancers or singers. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट दिस. ठीक है, ये 30% मीन्स 3/10. 30% ऑफ एनीथिंग इज 3/10 ऑफ दैट थिंग. तो तुम जिसका भी 30% निकालोगे, अब मैं इसका 30% निकालूंगा, इसका जब मैं 30% निकालूंगा इट्स लाइक 3/10 टाइम्स. सो दिस नंबर शुड बी डिविजिबल बाय 10. नहीं तो फिर उसका 30% निकालोगे तो डेसिमल में आएगा, और नंबर ऑफ पीपल कैन नॉट बी इन डेसिमल. किसी चीज का अगर तुम 30% निकाल रहे हो एंड इट इज नॉट बीइंग अ डेसिमल, तो डेफिनेटली वो डिविजिबल बाय 10 होगा. तो दिस 0.6x शुड बी सच अ नंबर दैट इज डिविजिबल बाय 10. अभी पता नहीं वो क्या नंबर है, बट विल सी. थोड़ा आगे चलते हैं. 60% of the girls who are interested in attending a 2 day event are neither singers nor dancers. ठीक है, 60% of the girls who are attending the 2 day event are neither singers nor dancers. इसको अभी यूज नहीं कर सकते 2 डे इवेंट, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 1 डे इवेंट का गर्ल्स का अभी तक कुछ पता नहीं, बॉयज का फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ पे पता चला मेरे को. 0.2x, 0.8x, 0.6x, 0.2x, गर्ल्स का अभी तक कुछ पता नहीं है. जस्ट ये वाला 0 है उतना पता है, एंड टोटल 15 गर्ल्स उतना पता है. ओके, नो गर्ल इज इंटरेस्टेड इन अटेंडिंग अ 3 डे इवेंट, अनदर बिग इंफॉर्मेशन. तो ये पार्ट 0 हो गया गर्ल्स का. ओके, नो गर्ल इज इंटरेस्टेड टू अटेंड अ 3 डे इवेंट, so this part becomes 0. तो 3 डे इवेंट भी कोई नहीं जा रहा है, नॉट इंटरेस्टेड में 0, तो ऑल 15 गर्ल्स विल बी इन दीज टू कैटेगरीज. नाउ दिस 60% in fraction is basically 3/5. So 60% of the girls who are interested in attending a 2 day event. तो जितने गर्ल्स 2 डे इवेंट्स जा रहे हैं, गर्ल्स गोइंग टू 2 डे इवेंट मस्ट बी अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 5, बिकॉज तुम उसका 3/5 करोगे. तो गर्ल्स हु गो टू 2 डे इवेंट्स मस्ट बी अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. तो 2 डे इवेंट जो जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे गर्ल्स, दिस इज 1 डे इवेंट, तो 2 डे इवेंट इज ईदर 5 और 10, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली दिस इज ईदर 10 और 5. यही हो सकता है पॉसिबल. परसेंटेज को लेके विल प्ले हियर एंड इजीली विल गेट द आंसर. Now, no girl is interesting. This is done all male singers. How many male singers do we have? We have 4 male singers. All male singers and 2 of the dancers. Now, these 2 dancers, they have to be male because they are attending the 3 day event. All male singers and 2 dancers are attending the 3 day event. Now, think about this. 3 day event में there is no girl that is coming. तो दो dancer जा रहे हैं, they are also male. So, I can write here that it is 4 singers and 2 dancers. एंड 3 डे इवेंट तो गर्ल्स कोई जा ही नहीं रहा है, तो यहाँ पे कितने लोग हो गए? 6 पीपल. नाउ इफ आई लुक एट मेल डांसर एंड सिंगर, टोटल आई हैव 10. नाउ 4 पीपल, यहाँ पे 4 to 6 पीपल आर गोइंग टू 3 डे इवेंट्स, एंड मुझे पता है दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. that 70% of the boys who are interested in attending a 2-day event are neither singers nor dancers. 60% of the girls, तो ये पार्ट अगर मैं यूज करूं 70% ऑफ द बॉयज, तो वहां पे मेरे को क्या मिला था 70% आर नीदर सिंगर्स और डांसर्स, तो 30% सिंगर डांसर होंगे। तो आई सेड 3/10, तो 3/10 मैं यहाँ पे क्या कर सकता हूँ, यहाँ पे मैं 3/10 इंटू 10 3 कर सकता हूँ, मैं 3/10 इंटू 20 6 कर सकता हूँ, और 3/10 इंटू 30 आई कैन गो टिल 9, 10 20 एंड 9। तो ये जो रिजल्टेंट आ रहा है दीज आर सिंगर्स और डांसर्स हु आर बॉयज, मतलब ये जो 0.6x है उसका जब मैं 30% कर रहा हूँ, आई एम फिगरिंग आउट ये 0.6x क्या हो सकता है, इज इट 10 और इज इट 20 और इज इट 30, because it has to be divisible by 10 so that we can calculate its 30%. Now if that is 10, think about this, if 0.6x is equal to 10, x will come in decimal, not possible. Similarly, if 0.6x is equal to 20, again x will come in decimal, that is not possible. If I take 0.6x is equal to 30, so x I am getting it as 50. Now this is possible and this is the only possibility. तुम 30 के ऊपर नहीं जा सकते, because if you are taking 40 let us say, so 3/10 of 40 becomes 12. Now you don't have 12 singer dancer in males, only 10 hai. So that is why I get the total number of boys as 50. This is the first information that we got here. Now if this is 50, this 0.2x becomes 10, 20% of 50 is 10, and this 0.8x becomes 40. So 40 people are going to one day event, उसमें से 10 people are only going to one day event, and 0.6x 30 people are going for 2-day and 3-day event. उसमें से 3-day event में there are 6 people यहाँ पे, so there must be 24 people who are going to only 2-day event. अब वो 24 people कैसे लाएंगे वो भी थोड़ा देखना है, but I hope this breakdown is making sense now. Now ये girls का भी अभी देखना है, ठीक है। Let us come to the last part. The number of singers interested in attending a 2-day event. Okay, number of singers interested in attending a 2-day event is one more than the number of dancers interested in attending a 2-day event. Now number of singers, if you look at it, यहाँ पे 4 singers है, 2-day event में जा रहे हैं, मतलब वो 3-day में भी जा रहे हैं बट 2-day में भी जा रहे हैं, एंड टोटल मेल सिंगर्स आर 4, फीमेल सिंगर्स तो यहाँ पे जाएंगे नहीं कोई। ओके, एंड ऑलरेडी आई हैव 2 dancers here, I have 2 dancers here, and look at this 0.6x which I got as 30, उसका 30% आ रहा है 9, that means 9 singer and dancer are going to 2-day events, singer dancer, उसमें से अगर 4 singers हो गए तो 5 dancer होने चाहिए। there are 9 singers and dancers who are going to 2-day event in case of males, उसमें से 4 singers हैं already, तो I need 5 dancers. So if I have 2 dancers here, then I'll have 3 more dancers here, तो टोटल डांसर्स कितने हो गए 5, बट बोल रहा है टोटल डांसर से 1 मोर इज द नंबर ऑफ सिंगर्स, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ सिंगर्स शुड बी 6, बट उसमें से मेल सिंगर्स तो 4 है, तो द रिमेनिंग हैज टू बी फीमेल सिंगर्स, तो 2 फीमेल सिंगर्स यू विल हैव टू टेक हियर, 2 फीमेल सिंगर्स। हाउ मेनी फीमेल सिंगर्स आर देयर इन टोटल, 2, वही ले सकते हैं, उससे ज्यादा हो नहीं सकता। So that means I got all the values now. यहाँ पे 2 सिंगर होंगे, टोटल सिंगर का पार्ट सॉर्टेड, 6 सिंगर्स थे, 4 सिंगर्स एंड 2 सिंगर्स, बट आई हैव 10 डांसर्स, जिसमें से 2 डांसर्स हियर, 3 डांसर्स हियर, मेल में 6 डांसर्स वर देयर, टोटल मेल देयर वर 6 डांसर्स, 4 ऑफ देम आर गर्ल्स, तो 6 ऑफ देम आर बॉयज, तो वो 6 डांसर्स में 2 3 यहाँ पे हो गया, तो वो जो रिमेनिंग 1 डांसर या तो वो यहाँ पे हो सकता है, नहीं तो यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है, we don't know, that dancer may not be going to the event at all or may be going to the event of only one day, वहां पे जा रहा होगा, but anyways boys का फिर भी more or less part हमें figure out हो गया। Now think about this, some more information to write, total 50 boys, 10 people are not interested at all, 40 people are going to one day event, out of 40 people 10 people are exactly going to one day event, okay, and out of 30 people 70% are neither dancer or singer. That means I can write 21N. 2-day event में जो जा रहे हैं 21 people are neither dancer nor singer. तो 9 people are dancer or singer. तो 9 हो रहा है, देखो 4 + 2 6 + 3 9. 9 people are dancer singer. So total people who are exactly going to 2-day events is 24. So 30 में से 24 people only 2-day event जा रहा है, and the remaining 6 people are also going for 3-day events. So everything is sorted. बस boys के part में एक ही question mark अपना रह गया, that last dancer. The last dancer is not interested at all. That is one case, or maybe last dancer is only going to 1-day event. उतना ही हो सकता है possible, but we don't know how much. तो यहाँ पे इसको थोड़ा ब्रेक कर लेते हैं. तो I got x as 50. तो ये 4 + 6 10, तो ये आ जाता है 40. तो बॉयज पार्ट मोर और लेस फिगर आउट. गर्ल्स का पार्ट अभी देखते हैं. गर्ल्स यहाँ पे 2 सिंगर्स हैं. नाउ हाउ मच इज लेफ्ट इन केस ऑफ गर्ल्स? 2 सिंगर्स वी हैव सॉर्टेड. आई हैव 4 डांसर्स. नाउ एक बात सोचो, तुम 4 डांसर्स को ये सर्कल में पुट कर नहीं सकते, फिर डांसर्स विल बी ग्रेटर देन सिंगर्स. तो 4 डांसर्स हैव टू कम ऑन दिस सर्कल. The 4 dancers are coming on this circle. तो गर्ल्स का यहाँ पे देखो, ये वाला जो इंफॉर्मेशन था, 60% of the girls who are interested in attending a 2-day event. अब 60% means 3/5 are neither singers nor dancers. तो 60%, तो मिनिमम 3 लोग तो होंगे ही. तुम 60% जब 3/5 करोगे, या तो 3/5 of 5, नहीं तो 3/5 of 10. तो ये आता है 6 एंड ये आता है 3. So minimum 3 people are not singers nor dancers out of the people who are attending the 2-day event. तो मैं यहाँ पे ये ले सकता हूँ, ये जो 2-day event में 2 singers हैं एंड बाकी 3 are none. क्योंकि मैं 4 dancers को एक ग्रुप यहाँ पे रखा, तो this has to be greater than 4. So that means 10 people should be here. तो ये 3 none एंड यहाँ पे 6 none. हो गया ओवरऑल सॉल्व. So total people who are going to exactly girls going to exactly 2-day events, so 3 + 2 5, and the girls going to exactly 1-day event 4 + 6 10. जहाँ पे से 4 dancers are going in exactly 1 event, 2 singers exactly 2 event, and remaining 6 people who are neither dancer nor singer, वो एक 1-day event में 6 people are going and 2-day event में 3 people are going. So total composition we have got. तो उसको final summary let me put it here. इसको इरेज कर देते हैं. फाइनल समरी. तो दिस इज 10, दिस इज एग्जैक्टली 10, एंड देन दिस इज एग्जैक्टली 24, एंड दिस इज एग्जैक्टली 6. दिस इज 0, दिस इज 0, and this is 5, and this is 10. Out of this 10 there are 4 dancers and 6 people are neither dancer nor singers, and here 5 में there are 2 singers and there are 3 people who are neither a dancer nor singer. So girls का part sorted. Total girls यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं 15. If I look at total boys is 50. So 10 10 and 30 हो गया. Here I have 4 singers and 2 dancers. Then I have 3 dancers here, and then 21 people who are neither dancers nor singers. This 10, here we have 2 cases. Now this 10, it could be 10 plus 0. 10 मतलब 10 people who are neither dancer nor singers. Or it could be 9 people who are neither dancer plus singer plus 1 dancer. यहाँ पे dancer हो सकता है. और this 10 we can break it as this: 10 people who are neither dancer or singer, or 9 people who are neither dancer or singer, and 1 dancer who is not interested to go. तो बस यही केस लास्ट को रह गया. Else everything we have exactly found out. Okay. Kind of easy question. Just you have to bring in the structure. Once you understand this, then questions are very easy to solve. So let us see how many boys are there in the class. The answer is total 50 boys. Which of the following can be determined from the given information? The number of boys who are interested in attending a one-day event and are neither dancer nor singer. Can we determine this? वही तो केस रह गया था यहाँ पे. Number of boys who are attending one-day event वो 10 है, but neither dancer nor singer. It could be 10 or 9. So we cannot uniquely determine that. तो 1 तो नहीं होगा. तो 1 नहीं होगा तो ये चला गया, क्योंकि both 1 2 या only 1 you cannot determine. Then the number of female dancers who are interested in attending a one-day event, that we have determined 4 dancers. This can be uniquely determined. The answer is only quite easy. And this time you had 5 questions per set in CAT 2022. What fraction of the class are interested in attending a 2-day event? So total class is how much? 50 boys and 15 girls, 65. And how many people are going to 2-day events? 2-day events mein I am seeing that total boys is 30 and girls is 5. So 30 plus 5, 35. So what fraction is it? It's 35 upon 65, 5 7, 5 13, 7 by 13. Abhi sara question, it will be very easy to solve. What best can be concluded about the number of male dancers who are interested in attending a one-day event? Already I am seeing that one-day event mein aa to rahe hain 5 dancers, 3 dancers plus 2 dancers. But that last dancer could be a part of this one-day event or may not also. So total male dancers coming to one-day event definitely 5 hai, but maybe 6 ho sakta hai. So that is my answer here is either 5 or 6. How many female dancers are interested in attending a 2-day event? 2-day event में कितने female dancers हैं? In 2-day event, how many female dancers? Are there any female dancers? No. क्योंकि total female dancers 4 and they are all coming in the 1-day event exact. So 2-day event में female dancers interested is 0. So this is how you should start solving. Those of you are just starting, please do not worry about the time. Time is definitely a crucial factor and it will eventually come into play. But first you need to bring in structure and the confidence that I am able to think on the question, I can solve the question. Then next step is how do I reduce the time now? First, if I can solve the question, then I can reduce the time. जो लोग थोड़ा 3-4 महीने बाद start करोगे, maybe you will not have that liberty, but people watching this right now, you have that liberty. Because you can invest some amount of time and the initial growth curve is a little slow. Once you pick it up, then it is exponential because you get to know what factors come into play, how do I change my gears and how do I think, how do I bring in structure. Then you'll start to relate to some questions that you have solved in the past. So it will become eventually easier every day. Only if you solve regularly. So every day, at least 1 or 2 sets try and solve. Don't go by the difficulty easy. Figure out that it's a problem, how do I solve it? If I am not able to solve, I'll look at the solution. Even if I'm not able to understand the solution, maybe look at the video solution, ask the faculty, reach out to people, but I'll not give up. I'll be at it and I'll keep trying, and then eventually there will be a day where you'll see that okay, this is not that difficult. Every question in LRDI can be solved, but now how do I decide which 2 sets to solve? So that is like level 3 of doing things. Level 1, solve all questions, put your 100% focus into it. So thank you all for joining. Hope you guys enjoyed the session and properly understood this set. We'll come again with another set very soon. Till then, if you enjoyed the session, do like to the Aptitude Club channel and support us by sharing it with your friends and ask them to subscribe to the channel. And you will see a lot of useful content on quants and LRDI. So stay tuned and we'll come up with the next LRDI series very soon. Till then, keep studying, keep working. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.